Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, then welcome. I hope that you guys subscribe down below. Today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing video for the month of June. I'm really excited about this box because I've already seen sneak peeks of it and it looks like it's going to be so good. I wanted to originally do like a try-on style video with this, but it just ended up not working out. I already had my makeup on because I had an appointment this morning, so I couldn't really, I didn't want to take my makeup off. I'm lazy. I'm lazy today. If you guys want to see what's in this month, then let's just jump right in. A little pamphlet here with all of the products that you get, and I'm so excited for this box. Starting off, we have some brushes here. This is by the brand Luxie, and this is their 3-piece Flawless Complexion. You get a foundation brush, you get a tapered highlighting face brush, and a duo fiber brush, and this retails for $42. So already you're getting your money's worth, which is amazing. Of course my battery's dying. It wouldn't be a video with me if it wasn't. So these are the 3 brushes. I love the pink packaging. So I'm guessing that this one is the foundation brush right here. Yep, this is the Precision Foundation Brush. This one is the tapered highlight, and then this one is the duo fiber. I'm really excited. I'm going to put all 3 of these to use. This would be a good brush, I feel like, for blush. This is obviously good for highlight or setting your under eyes. And I don't think I'll use this for foundation, but maybe this would be good to blend out concealer. I'm actually going to try that and see how that works. So far, love the box already. Alright, so there's that. Next up we have this, and of course because it's yellow, it stood out to me. This is the little Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. So it says this Brazilian Bum Bum Cream is inspired by the Brazilians' favorite feature, the bum. It's creamy and rich. The fast-absorbing texture contains just enough mica to add a perfect Brazilian glow, as the formula helps your body look and feel its smoothest and its tightest. So this retails for $10. This is a little travel size, which is amazing. I'm going to throw this right in my purse. You guys know my purse is like probably filled to the top, but I'm still going to throw this in there. And I heard that this smells really good, so I'm excited to smell it. Oh my gosh. This smells amazing, you guys. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yes. Oh my gosh. Oh, hell yeah. This smells amazing. So I'm probably going to purchase the full size once I go through this because I've always wanted to try it and it smells so good. So there's that. All right, next up in the box we have this, and oh, these are lashes. So this is by the brand Baddington. And these are their Monroe Silk Lashes. It says they're 3D multi-layered. Monroe Silk Lashes enhance to look with moderate length, adding a volume and length to your lashes. It says they're handmade with 100% silk and impressive durability. I will say with lashes, if you take care of your lashes, you can reuse them so many times. I have lashes that vary from Ardell to other higher brand lashes, and if you take care of them, even if you pay $5 for your lashes and you take care of them, you can reuse them a lot of times. So these look actually really pretty. The packaging is really cute, and I'm excited to add these to my lash collection. Retail for $28, which is a pricey penny for a pair of lashes, but these are like 100% silk and they say that they're really good durability. So I'm excited to use these. I'm sure you guys will see those in our tutorial. I think I am going to do a tutorial with the palette that is next in this palette. I'll probably use most of these products in my next tutorial maybe. This is the Alamar palette. And this is what it looks like. It is so gorgeous. If you guys watch Kathleen Lights here on YouTube, her friend created this palette, and that is absolutely amazing because these are gorgeous. I cannot wait to do a makeup look with these. I've seen so many already and I'm like so excited. So this is the packaging. We have 4 shimmers and 4 mattes. So let's see how they swatch. Oh my gosh, they feel really smooth. Really good quality. So that is, oh my gosh, do you guys see that? That is intense. Wow. Then we have this little pinky shade, which also seems really pigmented, and it is. So that is it right there. You guys, I'm really excited to play with this palette. The formula on these is so nice. Like, wow. so pretty. Let's try this dark blue. Oh my gosh, look how gorgeous. These colors are stunning. Oh my gosh. All right, let's swatch some of these matte shades here. So this color is gorgeous. It's like an orangey color. This is in the color Cocoa Taxi. And it feels really buttery smooth. Again, pigmentation is on point. We got Tropico, which is a gorgeous like red brown, kind of like burnt. It's more of like an orangey red actually, but it's really pretty. Then we have, let me just wipe off my finger here. We have this color, which is literally screaming out to me. It is like a burgundy, and this feels so pigmented, you guys. Look at this shade. It's so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And then this last shade is a dark chocolate brown, which, you guys, if you don't have Boxycharm, you should go purchase this palette, because this is one of the most pigmented eyeshadow palettes I've touched and seen. And I believe this retails for $28, which is absolutely insane for the pigmentation. You're getting 8 shades, so that is not bad at all. That is a really good price, and the quality is definitely there. I am 100% going to create a makeup look using this palette for sure. This palette is one of those palettes that is it just inspires me. Like, it makes me actually want to do my makeup. It makes me actually want to create like a new look, and I'm really excited. I think the packaging's really cute. I love yellow, so it's just really cute, and the size of the shadows is actually really nice. So these are gorgeous. I cannot wait to play. All right, moving on, we have 2 more products left. We have an eyeliner in here. This is by the brand, I'm not gonna try to pronounce it, but it looks like this, and I don't know about this. Doesn't seem that creamy. Doesn't seem too good. This is in the color Charcoal, so I don't know if I'll ever really use it, because I either like my eyeliner to be black or brown or color. This retails for $5, and it's a waterproof pencil, so I find that waterproof pencils are harder to apply in the waterline, so I'm not sure about this one. I'll have to try it before I like say anything. And then the last product is by Ofra, and Ofra is one of my absolute favorite formulas for liquid lipstick. They're so comfortable on the lips. The colors that they have are amazing. So this retails for $21, and this is in the shade Verona, and I heard that this is a brand new shade. So let's see what it looks like. Ooh, it's a really pretty like brown shade. Kind of like a brownie nude. Really pretty. This is definitely my kind of color. So if you guys have not tried the Ofra liquid lipsticks and you are into liquid lipsticks, then I definitely recommend trying them. They have a really good formula, long lasting, and they don't get all crusty and gross on the lips. They are some of my favorite liquid lipstick formula. So that wraps up this video, guys. I'm going to go ahead and give this box a 10 out of 10 because everything in it I'm really excited to use. The only thing that I'm like about is the eyeliner, just because I have so many eyeliners that I use, and I really don't like to use like pencil eyeliners like this on my waterline. I either like a retractable or like a gel eyeliner, but I don't want to judge too quick, you know? So give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. I'm definitely going to do a makeup tutorial using these products. So of course my battery just died, so I had to switch out the battery, and now my setup looks completely different again. Oh my god, I'm all over the place, you guys. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!